Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify payment posting with Amex, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify payment posting with American Express, begin by gathering all relevant documents, including statements and payment receipts. Log into your American Express online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section of your account dashboard. Locate and click on the Payments option from the menu. Review the recent transactions to check if your payment appears in the list. If the payment is not visible, check the date range to ensure you are looking within the correct time frame. Make sure to refresh the page to update the transaction list. If the payment is indeed missing, go to the Payment History section for a detailed look at all previous payments. In this section, you can search by date, amount, or confirmation number to find your payment. If you still cannot locate the payment, verify your bank account or credit union statements to confirm the payment was processed. Check the transaction details to ensure the payment was sent to the correct American Express account. If you discover any discrepancies, prepare to provide evidence of the payment, such as a bank statement or confirmation email. Contact American Express customer service through the support options available on their website. Provide them with all necessary details regarding the missing payment. Follow their instructions on how to resolve the issue, which may include filing a dispute or tracking down the payment. Keep a record of all communications with customer service for future reference. Once your payment has been verified and posted correctly, monitor your account regularly to avoid any future discrepancies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.